Post.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Kids Post first ever life hacks episode. Today I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks which hopefully you'll find helpful. A question that often comes up in our mums forum is how parents can help little ones that are incessantly coughing all through the night and then making everyone in the household very tired the next day. Well, there's one way that I've tried, and I know it sounds weird, but it does work for a lot of mums. And look, it depends on the kind of cough your child has, but hey, why not give it a go? You take an onion, you slice it in half, put the open side up on a plate and just place that plate next to your little one's cot or bed and leave it there through the night. Now, I do realize that come the morning, their nursery or bedroom is not gonna smell too good, but if it keeps our babies or children sleeping through, why not try it? Just cut it in half. Twist, put it down, and what you'll see is your skin will just peel right off in one piece, pretty much. Another way you can try is just cut your avocado in half. Twist, and then you take a glass and you just scoop it out. So we hope you found those useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.